Welcome to Han River Park, one of Seoul's pride and joys. A unique aspect of the culture here is food delivery, with a wide variety of options available. Today, I tried ordering food using an English delivery app. Oh no! The delivery failed! What went wrong, and how did I eventually succeed in getting my order? If you're curious, keep watching. First, let me give you a brief introduction to Korea's delivery culture and its background. Food delivery in Korea began in the 1800s during the Joseon dynasty. Even before the advent of the internet and smartphones, delivery was possible anywhere with just a phone call, whether to an airport, a mountain, or even a moving train. In such a country, it's fitting that the first delivery app was named 배달의 민족, or to translate into English, the nation of delivery. Truly, Korea is a nation with a highly developed delivery culture. That's why you can get delivery even at a public park like Seoul's Han River Park. Enjoying delivery food while taking in the Han River and Seoul city views and having a picnic is a popular and typical way for Seoul residents to enjoy their city. Now, let's set off to experience this for yourselves. I'll show you how you can quickly get not only foods like chicken, but also fresh food like sashimi, sushi delivered right here. Before having a picnic at the Han River, the first thing you need to do is rent a mat. This is Yeouido Han River Park, and there are usually several stalls renting mats at the park entrance. The prices are similar, so you can rent from any of them. I decided to rent a set that includes a mat, table, and wet tissue for 5,000 won. They ask you to leave your ID as a deposit. Of course, if you bring your own mat or table, you won't need to rent one. You can buy a table and mat at Daiso for around 2,000 to 5,000 won, and they are also available at convenience stores near the park, but the prices there are much higher than at Daiso, so keep that in mind. Now, you need to find a suitable spot to set up for a picnic. Since it's a weekday afternoon, there aren't many people, but on weekends or holidays, it gets very crowded, so I recommend coming on a weekday. Now that we've found a place to enjoy our picnic, let's place an order. As I want to share some useful information with you, I'll be using a delivery app that supports English. I'm going to order chicken, the nation's favorite delivery menu. So this is the location that I have designated. And these are different brands, and I like this one. And this is the best signature. These are some of the menus. So I'm gonna go with this one, honey series. This Gyeocheon Chicken Honey series is a popular steady seller that you must try. I chose the Honey Original, which refers to regular chicken, not boneless. The price is 21,000 won, with an additional 6,000 won for delivery, making the total 27,000 won. So proceed to check out. Face-to-face delivery, or you can leave at the door and ring the bell. There are a variety of options, so I'll choose face-to-face delivery. This is the credit card that I have registered, so you can pay either by your credit card, Korean credit card or foreign credit card, either way is fine. You can also pay with your PayPal account. And if you're Korean local or if you are resident with Kakao Pay account, you can also do that. So place an order. Oh no! The order failed! What's going on? The reason is that the delivery to public places without a specific address is not possible on this app. As you can see, I set the address to a delivery zone within the park, but it seems that this delivery service is not recognizing it properly. So I had to order from a different app. This is 배달의 민족, a leading local delivery app in Korea as mentioned earlier. This time, I'm going to order live octopus and sashimi from this seafood restaurant. It's 40,000 won for a set dish. The delivery fee is free here, the delivery fee on this local app seems much cheaper than the English app I tried earlier. I set the delivery address as Yeouido Han River Park Delivery Zone 2. I enter my contact information, payment method, etc. in order. After completing the payment, the delivery was successfully accepted on the app. I placed my order easily like this, but this app only supports Korean, so it may be difficult for foreigners like you to use. Many foreigners actually want to experience Korea's delivery culture, but they often give up due to language barriers during the delivery process. In the end, they had to ask a local friend living in Korea to place the order for them. That's why, my friend, I created a separate online tutorial to help you find a way to order. With this tutorial, you'll be able to order delivery without anyone's help. For those curious, please refer to the card in the upper right corner or pinned comment section below. The delivery has finally arrived. Shall we go and pick it up? And for the delivery food, you'll have to meet your driver at the designated area like this one. I'll be meeting my delivery driver right at the delivery zone number 2, right here. As you can see here, you'll have to check with the delivery driver that it's your order, not someone else's, by confirming the name of the restaurant you placed an order from. Finding the process from ordering to pick up is too complicated, right? Check out the detailed step-by-step instructions on my online tutorial. I'll leave the link in the pinned comment below. A variety of side dishes have also been delivered, so it's not just live octopus and sashimi, but also lettuce wraps, shrimp tempura, sushi, dipping sauce, shrimp and conch, all set up on the table. So here it is, guys. So we have sushi, sashimi, and live octopus here as well. Freshly delivered. Let's start with the live octopus, which should be eaten while it's still fresh. Because it's wriggling so much, you really have to chew it well to keep it from sticking to your mouth. For the sashimi, it's a delicacy when wrapped with lettuce and dipped in spicy pepper paste. Oh, ordering such fresh food at Han River Park on a sunny day is just simply perfection. Ordering live seafood to eat in the park, isn't that amazing? Guys, it feels more special to have a sashimi or sushi at the Hangang River Park. This is a very unique delivery culture, only available in Korea. So you as a foreigner should definitely come, enjoy this very unique local culture. After eating, we should clean up, right? We need to return the mats and tables, so let's tidy up well and gather all the trash in the delivery bag. Now, head towards the park entrance, trash disposal area over there. Here it is. You can dispose of the trash here. Now, return the mats and tables here, and once you get your ID back, you're all set. How was the Han River picnic experience? Yes, it certainly has challenges, but enjoying the atmosphere of the Han River while ordering delivery is truly rewarding and enjoyable. Even foreigners can order food delivery in Seoul's public parks, so I hope you'll check out my prepared online tutorial to enjoy this fun experience. If mobile ordering is difficult, you can also use the phone numbers commonly found on flyers in the Han River Park to directly call the restaurants and place your order, so keep that in mind. Guys, starting from 2025, regulations banning the use of disposable containers for food delivery in Seoul's Han River Park will be enforced. So, before that, I hope you come to Korea and experience such pleasant moments. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section or email me. Don't forget to subscribe not to miss out on more tips I'll introduce in the future. Thanks for tuning in today, and see you guys soon.